Hi everyone, in this quick video, I will show you exactly how to use your My Health Pace reward card to shop at Walmart online. Let's get started. Your My Health Pace card is a prepaid rewards card you earn by completing healthy activities. You can use it for things like transportation, rent, and even shopping at places like Walmart, Sam's Club, and Hy-Vee. Just remember, at Walmart, you can use it to buy everyday items, but not alcohol, tobacco, gift cards, or lottery tickets. So stick to grocery, household supplies, and other essentials. Once you are ready to shop, just check out like normal on Walmart's website. On the payment screen, choose credit or debit card and enter your My Health Pace card info just like a regular Visa prepaid card. Make sure your card has enough balance to cover your purchase. If your total is more than your card balance, you will need to split the payment at a physical store. Online checkout doesn't support split payments. Be careful about that. So, to recap, you can use your My Health Pass card at Walmart online for everyday essentials. Just enter it at checkout like a Visa debit card and remember to check your balance before shopping. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, feel free to like or share. Stay healthy and happy shopping.